What is up YouTube, welcome back, it's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna replace this rubber seal you can see from the front right door. And this is a pretty old car, so I have to do this because they are they got cracked in many places and not even stick to the body properly, so I have to replace this. And I got the new one, you can see, from Maruti Suzuki, and the price is not that much, only $290. So first of all I have to remove this thing. Alright, so now I've got to remove all these plastic clips you can see from the body. The new one comes with the clips, you can see the blue ones. There they are. So first I've got to remove this, all of this, then okay, just wait for that. Alright, so the removing is done. As you can see, wheel clips, they are all gone and they are on the ground right now. So now let's take the new one. There it is, and it's gonna go just like this. Just hold for a second. Alright, so I have fixed the top part. You can see it's not easy doing with one hand, so I can shoot that, but the top part is fixed. You just need to push this pin to the hole right there. Then you can line the top side up with this rail you can see right there. So it's easy. Then you just need to push these pins to these holes just like that. Simple. So you just need to do the rest of it. Here you go. Alright, another one right there, that one. Okay, another one, another one, and that's the one. So one side is done, and the other side too. Now just the bottom part. One, two, three, 4 pins are there. Just need to push them to the socket. Alright, so it's done. And you can see it's new and looking good. So now I gotta check the sound from inside, but before that need to use this pin right there to the door stopper. So let me quickly do that. So it's all done now. Now let's check the sound from inside. So now it's total silent inside, no noise. That was outside right before. You can hear all the noises. Now you can see all are gone. So door seals are very important. If it gets old and cracked and tear up, then you might get noise inside, and also water leaking that I was having from this left door, from top here somewhere, but I've changed all the doors, uh, back left, the back right, and the front right, but I didn't get the left one yet. When I get the delivery, I'll change that too. So that's it. That's all for today. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.